Welcome to Unstick No Study Point. Today we are going to chapter Circulatory System Part 2. In this chapter we are going to update a few questions related to the blood cells, blood pressure and blood volumes. First question is, the increase in the neutrophils is called as thrombocytosis, leukopenia, neutrophilia, erythrocytosis. The correct answer is C. Neutrophilia. Fluid part separated after complete centrifugation of blood. A. Plasma, B. Immunoglobulin, C. Serum, D. Antibodies. Correct answer is A. Plasma. Which of the following cell count increase in allergic reaction? A. Neutrophils, B. eosinophil, C. Leukocytes, D. monocytes. Correct answer is B. Eosinophils. Which of the following cell count increase in bacterial infection? A. Neutrophils, B. Leukocytes, C. eosinophil, D. monocytes. Correct answer is A. Neutrophils. Increase in cell count of eosinophils called as A. neutrophil, B. leukocytosis, C. eosinophilia, D. monocytosis. Correct answer is C. eosinophilia. Process of formation of RBC is called as erythrocytosis, B. leukocytosis, C. photosynthesis, D. monocytosis. The correct answer is A. erythrocytosis. Which of the following human organ is often called as graveyard of RBC? A. liver, B. gallbladder, C. spleen, D. kidney. The answer is C. spleen. Which of the following present in the blood serum? A. antigen, B. fibrinogen, C. hormone, D. all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. Which of the following is the type of white blood cell? A. neutrophil, B. lymphocytes, C. monocytes, D. all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Which of the following organ receive only oxygenated blood? A. lungs, B. spleen, C. liver, D. gallbladder. Answer is B. spleen. The pressure of a blood within the artery is called as A. blood pressure, B. blood volume, C. cardiac output, D. cardiac input. Correct answer is A. blood pressure. Heart wall is made up of A. epicardium, B. pericardium, C. myocardium, D. all of the above. The heart wall is made up of all three layers: epicardium, pericardium, myocardium. Answer is all of the above. Which of the following instrument used for heartbeat auscultation? A. stethoscope, B. electrocardiogram, C. sphygmomanometer, D. anemometer. Correct answer is A. stethoscope. Please like, share, subscribe the Unstick No Study Point. Thank you.